You made it to day 5. Yay! Welcome to day 5 of the Content Creator Challenge. And that's not a small thing. Whether you posted all 5 days, missed a day or so, or you're just watching this video for the first time, you started something. Now, before you quietly fade back into that I'll post tomorrow mode, I want you to hear this. Don't fall off. Not again. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how to keep your content momentum going. Even when the challenge ends and the motivation dips and the real life kicks in even higher, even harder. Here's what most creators do after a content challenge. They pause. They overthink. They wait for things to calm down to get more organized. And then boom, they're back at square one. I'm talking to me, okay? I know all about this too well, so listen to me, please. I tell my kids to learn from the gray hairs. And listen, if that's been your pattern, you're not broken. You're just stuck in a cycle that most creators haven't learned how to break. But we are going to break it today. You're here. So that means something clicked. You're not trying to be perfect. You're trying to be consistent. Maybe you didn't post all 5 days. Maybe you skipped 1 or 2 or most of them. Maybe what you posted didn't feel amazing. Maybe you didn't post it all. But that's not a failure. That's proof that you showed up even when things weren't perfect. And that is actually where consistency begins. Posting through the mess, the doubt, the chaos of your schedule, of your life. That's where your audience starts to trust you. And more importantly, you start to trust yourself. We say, I'll get back at it tomorrow or next week or when I have time to batch. But real talk, you don't need another perfect batch day. You need momentum. And momentum doesn't come from planning the thing. Momentum comes from doing the thing. That video wasn't perfect. Still a win. That caption you didn't feel 100% about. Still a win. Because momentum is built on movement, not perfection. As a recovering perfectionist, I have to tell myself this stuff all the time. So let me tell you what's worked for me, not as someone who has it all together, but as someone who's tired of starting over. I stopped trying to guess what to post every day. I stopped trying to build content from scratch. And that's why my situation was so bad that I literally created a tool to answer my biggest struggles, my biggest problems. So that's why I created a tool that can turn one idea to 12 pieces of content without wasting hours in my voice. That system is now a tool that I use almost daily. It's called the AI Content Creator Toolkit. And it was built for creators like you and me who want to keep showing up, but doesn't want content creation to take over their entire life. This toolkit gives you ready to use prompts, hooks, scripts, and content breakdowns. You just plug in your idea and give it some context. The system can remember what you sound like, but the best part is when you give it context. I want to make sure that my content sounds like me. So I give the tool context and it remembers how to make my content sound like me and not a robot. So you just plug in your idea and it turns into content that sounds like you. And if you don't even have an idea, it helps you find one based on your niche, your style, and your audience. Think of it like training wheels for your content flow. It's not here to replace you. It's here to make it easier for you to show up as yourself consistently. So here's my real message to you today. If you already did something big, you showed up, even if this is your first video, even if you haven't started the challenge yet, you're here watching this video. You proved you could show up. Don't let that momentum go to waste. Don't wait until the next challenge. Don't fall into the I'll try again next month trap. Let's keep going smarter, simpler, more supported. I'm giving you 60 free credits to try the AI Content Creator Toolkit. Just click below and start building your next content week today, not someday. You don't need motivation, you need movement. And just being here now just shows you're capable. You're not done yet. Let's keep growing together. Here's the thing. Here's why I'm pushing you. See, I'm gonna come off to you as auntie. I might be a mom, but I'm about to be auntie or sis or something, whatever you need to hear. I don't want there to be another day that goes by that you wish that you would have created. So don't let the momentum that you've already started, even if you haven't posted yet, even if you hadn't started, I'm telling you to do that thing. Even if you hadn't done that thing, do that thing now. Start your own challenge. Or if you didn't do so well, start the challenge over. It's here for you to continue and continue and continue. You need to feel and be supported by yourself before anything or anyone can support you. Let me tell you, I'm a mom. Take this advice from me. Again, learn the lessons from the gray hairs. Again, whatever it is you're going to do it. If you're going to create content, create it. If you're going to build that digital product, build it. If you're going to start that business, start it. If you're going to sing that song, sing it. Whatever it is that's within you that you need to do it. Because time waits for no one. And you don't want to wake up one day saying someday, and it turns into no day. So make today the day. I love that. And I love that for you. So congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You have done it. If you haven't started yet, I believe in you. You got this. Don't stop now. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.